Hey guys, welcome back. We are here with my mum's car this time, the Mercedes E400. It's had a fault come up being the auxiliary battery malfunction. Now this battery apparently controls stuff like heated seats, the start-stop function. It's got a few other features as well. It doesn't cause any issues with the main operation of the car because that battery actually is fairly brand new. But this episode, we're going to be replacing that. So here we have malfunction. Apparently all you need is a 10mm, which is right here. This is what the battery actually looks like, this little guy here. This is genuine from Mercedes, and it lives in the boot here. So I'll get this up and hang that up there. As you can see right there, that is our little friend. So I'm just going to disconnect the negative terminal first. Always typically remove this, and then the positive. Take that cover off. Oh, look at all that corrosion on the battery. For all we know, this actually could be fine. It's just got a bunch of corrosion on it. Well, we're going to replace it anyway just to be safe. But I think that corrosion has probably more to do with this issue than anything. Okay, that's out. Keep the red, don't let it touch anything. And then to get this off, this is also just a 10mm here. There. This should just lift off. We're just going to take this breather out of the battery and here's the battery here. As you can see, same thing. This, I guess, what's that? 10, 5, 14. I don't know if that's, or 14, that's the car's year model. So this came with the car brand new, and see all this corrosion here. I'd say that's part of the problem, but we're getting rid of it. Not dealing with any of this old anymore. So we'll put that down. Reinstallation is going to be exactly the same as removal, just backwards. So chuck this in here, clamp it back on. And don't forget, we just got to put this breather on and then reconnect the battery terminals. So you always put the positive on first. So when removing any battery, it is negative off and then positive. But when refitting, it's positive first and then negative. It's tight enough. We get our negative. Ooh, that's tight. And the last thing, we just put this cover back over. It's a bit warm in there. There you have it. It's as simple as that. Now we're going to go inside and we're going to check that the fault's actually gone. And that's apparently as simple as it is to replace an auxiliary battery on all these Mercs. Okay, here we go. And just like that, it's easy, no more fault codes. So, done.